Mister, can I talk to you for a minute?
Got a cigarette for me, Mr. Huh?
Hey, mister, do you speak Spanish?
Hey, Tiger, you wanna dance? Little dance won't hurt you. Come here, cowboy, I wanna tell you something.
Ooh, you're so tall. Let's have some fun.
Oh! Yep! We back at it! Token on the chronic, blowing smoke like an exhaust pipe. Stay clean, gay, mean, cause I be that boss type. Keep giving them cold bars till they catch a frostbite. All night, my niggas in the city serving all white. On the block, they call me Dizzle. At the bank, it's Mr. Brown. These niggas don't measure up, so they always got a frown. Never lost, but I was found as I ride around the town. When they see us in the building, then you know it's going down. I'm what you must desire if you wanna hit that fire. These niggas, they be liars, talking about they serving buyers. My niggas, they suppliers, no forgetting niggas higher. Straight shots, go for those who start to singing like a choir. See how I do this easy, spit these bars without repeating. Qualified to write graffiti on the tombs of Nefertiti. Got the thunder, make them wonder, call them niggas Stevie. When it comes to these bars, niggas say I'm greasy. Ain't one for the dramatic, so for niggas starting static, I'm a cushion money addict. Yeah, I need it, gotta have it. With the spitting, I make magic. So tragic, dramatic. You niggas, so local while we stroll around the planet. Favorite color green, I hear certain niggas scheme on the team, cause they know they'll never make it to the screen. Yeah, it started with a dream, know exactly what I mean. Now success is the only thing a nigga gotta feed. I'm a runaway freight train, that means I can never stop. If you talking about the squad, then you know we hella hot. Started from the bottom, now you know we headed to the top. With my block, looking for them pretty bitches trying to flock. Did I forget to mention that I'm fly like Mr. Jackson? Keep it real is my profession, about to teach these niggas lesson in discretion. Still reppin', still suffer from depression. I'm about to leave them hurt like stomach indigestion. I got a different style you ain't heard in a while. Hit these bitches with a smile. Now my phone they wanna dial. Got my records all on file. Damn, this shit go on for miles. Watch your back, cause my niggas known to snap like crocodiles. I stay focused like a camera, make them go and tell they nana that my bars is hitting hard. Like I got a million hammers. Got some ghetto ninja turtles with them shells and bandanas. Hard fellows, but your heart yellow like bananas. I'm known to hit the party, get it jumping like a kangaroo. Flexing with these pretty bitches, it's just what we came to do. Watch out with your petty words, my niggas might just aim at you. Sad and news, now your family is all about the blues. Hear these niggas talking, I'm just here to address the allegation. How you say that I ain't real? Most these niggas out here faking, talking about they steady caking. Come on, Kevin Bacon was born in Canada, but my roots Jamaican. Most these niggas starting rumors here to bring the facts. If you doubt it on the team, then you know that it's a rap. Know it's popping where we at. Put my city on the map, in the trap, where my niggas known to make a couple racks. I don't do the poker, I ain't really one for bluffing. With the flow, I take my time. There's no really need for rushing. If you know just who I am, no need for introduction. They call me Young Dizzle, newest nigga for discussion. Blow!